Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can use control rig to offset face bounce in metahumans. For this example we will use Ettore metahuman, and this is what I've done in Ettore blueprint. I've done some functionality here that will transition from fighter morph target to initial phase, so it will look like a fighter, then it will switch back. This is how it looks, that functionality. It will just smoothly transition from morph target enabled to morph target disabled, if it makes sense. So to get started, first of all, let's go to animation and select control rig. We have to select here the control rig and press on create. We will select the name iRig and open the rig. Here we can go ahead and import hierarchy, and I've used the Ettore face mesh, but I think you can also use the face archetype, which will apply to all metahumans if you have multiple. So just to make sure that you understand this. In this demo I'm gonna use the Ettore face mesh. And now that we have the rig created, we can see here the skeleton and all the facial bones, right? So let's get started and add the offset bones. You can do all kind of things here, but for our video we will just offset some bones, and we will offset the eyes only. So we will go with eye, left, okay. We will duplicate this node, and we will do the same for the right eye, right? Okay. We will just scale the eyes in this video, so I'm gonna just put here some values just to see how it's gonna look like. We will just scale the eyes for this demo, but obviously you can go ahead and do whatever translation or any kind of transform here, right? Let's compile this rig. Okay, and now we have to go to post-process animation blueprint. You can just type here anim BP and select face post-process animation blueprint, right? In animation graph, you will select and add a control rig. And select the newly created rig you've just created right now, yeah? iRig in our case. And in our blueprint, when we transition from morph target enabled to morph target disabled, we store the alpha. See, we have the alpha here, so we can keep track of what's the state of the morph target at that particular time. So we can go ahead and event blueprint here and get actor owner, I think, get owning actor, right? Cast it to Ettore, because this is the blueprint we're using. This is our blueprint BP Ettore. We will cast it to it and get the alpha and promote it to a variable. Right. Now we can go ahead in animation graph here and select this variable. This way we will make sure that our eyes scale with the morph target. So the more the morph target is visible, the more the rigs, the eyes are scaled. The eye in the rig is in function, right? I hope it makes sense what I'm trying to say. And let's compile everything and let's simulate. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, the eyes scale with the morph target. So yeah, This is it, guys, for this video. I hope it makes sense, but I'm trying to say this here. We are trying to scale or transform facial bones in metahumans so we can combine this with more targets. Uh, yeah, see you around, guys. Bye.